What up mga Zal subscribers, no? So ito guys, man, very big shoutout po sa inyo lahat, no, na solid na sumusuporta pa rin po sa no, sa ating mga vlog, syempre sa ating Mahalima, no? And maraming salamat palagi sa pagsuporta sa ating Mahalima, and syempre sa iba pa pong guys, napakarami po nating P-pop groups na pwedeng suportahan guys, no? Syempre ang P-pop King, syempre SB19, sila yung pinaka nasa tuktok guys, no? Sila nasa pinaka tuktok, no? And at the same time guys, suportahan natin yung mga na andyan po sa nila, like yung mga ginagabayan nila. Hindi ko masasabi kasi guys na like yung mga nasa baba nila, no? Parang ang pangit kasi yung term na nasa baba nila, no? Baka sabihin under sila ng SB19. Hindi naman kasi ganun guys, no? Ang pinaka term na gusto kong gamitin dito is guys, yung mga P-pop groups na ginagabayan po nila, no? Ay yung pinakamagandang term, no? So okay guys, no? Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell na rin guys. So para alam nyo ako nag-release ng bagong video. So a very big shoutout po kay I'm Pa Price, no? So kanya po itong video na papanoorin natin guys, na ito po yung entitled na magandang topic to guys, magandang topic, no? Why choose SB19 as an effective endorser, no? Okay, magandang topic to guys, magandang topic. So ito guys, ayaw na patagalin pa, so without further ado, let's all watch this. Alright, let's go.
Acer is one of the first brands that believed in SB19. They have been working together since 2020.
Oh.
Back then, SB19 was just starting to get more attention and become popular with the public. Their partnership has grown stronger over the years, and it shows.
Maganda yun guys, no, na yung umpisa pa lang, like yung palipad pa lang pong ating Mahalima is andun na po yung Acer, no. So I think hindi na rin po bibitawan ng SB19 yan kasi as much as I know SB19, yung mga taong or mga company na talagang sumama sa kanila nung umpisang paglipad nila, talagang malaki rin po yung nila ron, like yung utang na loob nila ron, and syempre eto pa lang kami pero sinusuportahan nyo na kami. Pero syempre kailangan maganda po yung arrangement yan. Mamaya naman guys, kasi guys may instances din po na baka abusuhin po ang ating Mahaliman.
How much
Pero so far, tingin ko hindi naman nangyayari ngayon kasi sobrang tagal na po, no? Up to this day guys, Acer talagang pa rin sila na SB19.
trust Acer has in SB19's potential. It's been 4 years now, and that says a lot about the belief Acer has in the group's future success. Now others might question, why SB19?
Tama.
Well, it's simple. SB19 is one of the most influential groups in the Philippines right now. Their massive fan base, 18, are not just fans of their music, but also support the brands they're aligned with. Acer's smart enough to recognize that by partnering with SB19, they're not just getting a boy group, they're tapping into a whole community that trusts and follows SB.
Sinamahan ko sa kami ng laptop kanina, daming pogi. Siyempre guys. And daughter asked for a laptop, siyempre 18. So isa yan guys, na hindi naman talaga na ginagamit ng Acer ang 18, no? Hindi po ganun yan guys, no? Hindi po ganun yan, no? Sadyang alam ng Acer na kayang-kaya po ng SB19 na, alam mo yun, pagdating sa endorsement, no? Ilang beses ko na rin tinapik to guys, ilang beses ko na rin sinabi to, no? SB19, kung kukunin mo silang endorser, no, napakasulit talaga guys, no? Alam niyo kung bakit? Una-una sa lahat guys, sila po yung gumagawa ng kanta nila, no. So pero I think yung Acer, yung management nila, no, hindi ko lang alam kung pinapahintulutan nila na yung si SB19 na gumawa ng kanta nila, no. Pero baka meron pong provided na song ang SB19, no. Pangalawa guys, magaling po kumanta ang ating Mahalima, no. So una-una guys, pag nag-endorse ko ng isang product is kailangan marunong kumanta kasi syempre may mga jingle yan, may mga may mga advertisement songs yan. Usually guys, mga commercial guys, talaga hindi mawawala yung mga kanta, di ba? Kailangan maging catchy sa pandinig mo, no? So dagdag mo pa guys, yung SB19 is talaga napakaganda na boss. Pangatlo is napakagaling sumayaw ng ating Mahalima, no? So yung check na yun guys, no, yung napakagaling sumayaw kasi usually pag endorsement, gustong-gusto nila that alive yung yung vibe ng endorsement, kailangan maging catchy sa mata ng mga tao, and syempre ang ating Mahalima napakagaling sumayaw, napaka top notch ng kanilang dancing skills, no. And pagsamahin mo yun, singing and dancing ability nila guys, sobrang pasok na pasok guys, no. Kasi hindi ko naman po, wala akong pinipinpoint pero kasi meron mga endorser na magaling na sumayaw, magaling kumanta pero hindi sila marunong sumayaw, no. So pero SB19 is talagang package po talaga, no? And ngayon ko na din naisip to, no. Actually hindi ngayon, no, kasi yun talaga yung lagi kong yung criteria guys, yun lang yung inaano ko pag sa mga endorsement, kailangan Actually, yung dalawa lang. Yung una, nadagdag ko lang yun. Ang gulo ko yun. And then, yung kailangan magaling ka sumayaw, magaling kang kumanta rin at the same time. No? Yung una, kaya ako nabanggit yun, guys. No? Kasi, hindi ko lang alam. Comment down below. Baka po meron mga endorsements ng SB19 mismo ang sumulat ng kanta nila. Kung meron man, napaka-solid nun. And pang-apat, guys, kailangan po talaga is meron kayong, yan, yung visuals. No? Alam nyo naman, yung ating mahalima, no? Walang, alam mo yun, hindi ko alam kung tama yung term na gagamitin ko, pero yung lahat sa kanila, yung character nila, yung visuals nila, guys, as in, walang tapon talaga, guys, as in, walang tapon po talaga, no. Lahat sila, napaka good looking po talaga, no. So, dagdag mo na rin, guys, yung napaka galing nila katrabaho, napaka professional, napaka bait po talaga. Okay, tuloy na to.
SB19's endorsements. So, this partnership makes perfect sense for both Acer and SB19. And these aren't just sugar-coated words to promote the group. There are actual results that back up this statement. Now, according to an article published in Taiwan, Acer's success in the Philippine computer market, reaching a 36% market share in August, is not only due to its product competitiveness, but also its strong brand promotion efforts. A significant part of this achievement comes from its partnership with Filipino boy group SB19, who have been Acer's brand ambassadors since 2020.
Oh.
SB19's influence has helped boost Acer's presence in the Philippine market. In recognition of their contribution, Acer recently honored SB19 with a special honorary employee award during their visit to Acer's Taipei headquarters.
Oh.
This award is to thank them for their contribution to the Philippine market.
Shout out G22.
Currently, SB19 is joined by the P-pop girl group G22 as brand endorsers for Acer Philippines. In summary, Acer's remarkable 36% market share in the Philippine computer market this August highlights not only its competitive products, but also the power of effective brand promotion. The collaboration with SB19, who has been a vital part of Acer's marketing strategy since 2020, has significantly enhanced the brand's visibility and connection with consumers. Their recent recognition with a special award from Acer underscores the important role they play in Acer's success. And that's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed this update about SB19. If you did, please show your support by joining or subscribing to this channel, as it will help me continue to create more content about SB19 and P-pop. Thank you for staying with us, and please watch this next video if you have time.
Dagdag ko rin pala, guys, no. Di ba, yung Acer, guys, hindi lang siya basta-basta, no? Like, alam mo yung generation kasi yung guys, napaka-techy na po talaga, na hindi na pwedeng mawala yung maglabas sa cellphone or kung ano man, like laptops, di ba? Napaka-handy ng laptop po talaga kahit saan nagpupunta. No? Kumbaga, may connection din siya, guys, no? Lalo-lalo na in particular, for me, ito, sobrang swak na swak to kay Josh, no? Alam niyo naman si Josh, napaka-gamer niyang tao. Sobrang gamer po talaga ni Josh, no? As in, addict na addict talaga sa mga gaming yan. Talaga si Josh, no? And saktong-sakto kasi alam niyo na, pag gamer ka, syempre, ang una mo nga anuhin is yung specs ng computer, ng laptop, and syempre, Acer, syempre, ibibigay nila yung best para sa kay Josh, no. Hindi ko na sinasabi, guys, na may nangyaring ganun. Hindi ko alam kung may nangyaring ganun, no? Pero I'm very sure na may ganun din, no, na kailangan syempre may discount, 'di ba? Kapag brand ambassador kayo, or baka may lifetime or hindi na lifetime free keyboard, no. Hindi ko talaga alam, guys, no. And si Stel, 'di ba? Ayan, mga gamer, and then si Justin, sa magiging creative niya, no. Talagang gumagawa siya doon ng mga kung ano-ano mang sa kanyang creativity, no? And then si Pablo, music making. And then si Ken, no? Pwede rin, no? Lahat sila, actually lahat talaga sila, no? So sobrang swak lang, no? Kasi kung kukunin ng brand ambassador dito is, sorry guys, sorry sa term, sorry sa term po talaga, no? Yung sabihin na natin nasa 50s na, or mga 40s, or sabihin natin, hindi, pwedeng 40s, pero 50s, 60s, mga gano'n, alam niyo na, no? Parang hindi siya ganun mag-click, no? Hindi ko po inaano, guys, hindi ko po inaano. Kaya syempre, yung mga tao, mas gusto nila yung, alam mo yun, kahit hindi sila nagre-research, no? Kasi alam niyo naman, kahit yung generation ngayon, guys, kahit 50s yan, 60s yan pataas, or 50s pataas, sobrang techy na rin po niyan, na talaga as in, no? Yung talagang yung mga tao lang ngayon is pag nakita nilang ganun na parang hindi daw swak, pero kung titignan mo yung reality, guys, talagang lahat po talaga ngayon is marunong na po talaga sa mga computers, lahat po, no? So, ayun, swak na swak lang pagdating ng mga SB19, talaga swak na swak kasi sila po yung brand endorser talaga na, alam mo yun, yung makaka-relate po talaga doon. Since sila po ay talaga nasa 20s or 30s ba? Nasa 20s pa lang sila, pagkakalam ko, no? Diba? So, saktong-sakto. No? So, ayun lang guys, no? Ang galing ng, ang galing lang ng Acer dito kasi talagang pinagkatiwalaan nilang SB19. At the same time, SB19 is sobrang sobrang professional din. Hinandle niya na to the point na kasama na ng Acer since nung palipad pa lang sila, pero up to this day is talagang hindi nila pinapabayaan din yung naniwala sa kanila. Ayan, shoutout sa Acer and shoutout po sa SB19. So ayun, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell na rin guys para alam nyo pag ako nag-list ng bagong video, no? So this is po ito, signing out. Peace! Bless you!